Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this food warmer tray, silicone warmer tray that this man sent to me for the video. I tried it last night, and I need to show you this one to you because it warms up super fast. I'm actually surprised in how fast this one warms up. It goes about like from 64 Fahrenheit to 248 Fahrenheit in about like 20 seconds or 30 seconds, something like that. No more than that, I guarantee. I actually put it from 64 to 194. It is in 194 right now, and it took about like 10 seconds, no more than that. I'm gonna show it to you in a close up in a few seconds. But right now, I have to say it's a 23 inches long. It is made of silicone, so you can actually kind of like fold it if you want and put it in this bag in case that you want to take it to some place like friends or family, or if you want to take it to, let's say that you have a small restaurant or something that you want to take it out there, you can actually do it. It also comes with this link over here, so when you fold it and put it kind of like in a, I want to say like a spiral mode or something like that, you can secure it with this one without any issues. But of course, the best thing about this one is it work with glass, ceramic. You can actually do it with plates. You can do it with a mug. You can do it with chicken, soup, meat, rice, whatever you want. You can actually do it. Let's take a closer look. So I was just warming up some chicken before that. Yeah, this plate is actually not super hot, but it's hot. I was finishing warming up my tea, and you can see that this one is still warm. And I was just actually warming up my soup as well. But as you're gonna see over here, I'm actually turning it off right now, so it's off. So I'm gonna let it cold a little bit, so I can actually manipulate it and I can actually grab it. So it's a little bit colder now, not super cold, but cold enough so I can actually grab it. And I want to show you this part to you right here. So this is where all the circuits are gonna be, and you can see that it's a little bit elevated from whatever you want to put it. You can put it in the table, you can put it in your kitchen countertop, so it will be elevated from that. You don't have to worry. So one more time. Here you can see that. So you can actually fold it, put it in this bag, wrap it up with this one right here, this elastic silicone band, and wrap it up right there. But of course, let's actually put this one right here one more time. Yeah, this is actually kind of hot right now. And let's put this one right here. And then I'm gonna show you this one right now. Let me accommodate that one as I was telling you before, 23 inches. So it has the power right here. It has a 3-second lock right here, so in case that you have kids or something like that. And you also had a 6-hour timer over here. But once you're done, let me show you. So this is the lock as I was telling you before, and the timer. But you turn it on right now, and you can see that right now it's in 140, and it keeps going down, keeps cooling down. But I want to put it in, let's say I want to put it in 194. So it's going to actually let me know and that it's locking in 194, and now it's 42, 43. 44, 45, 46, and it keeps going and going. So it's actually pretty fast, as I was just telling you before. But the best thing about this one is that you can actually put everything you want and just like make sure that you have your food warm. If you're waiting for someone or just like want to wait until night or something like that, you have your food warmer over here, made of silicone, with a lock, with a timer, 6 hours, up to 248 degrees, and of course super easy to operate with the cable. That's everything you're gonna need. I like it. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.